Hello everyone, how are you doing today? So today we are going to continue with our lesson. We are going to do a small exercise together. So please get your science books and follow up with me. Okay? So as you know, our lesson is similarities and differences between animals. We have talked about several differences. We talked about the size, the color, the shape, the body coverage, and last but not least, we talked about the food diet. We said that animals have different food diets. So let me remind you. So on page 29, okay, open your books, page 29, and let's revise it together. The question was, what do animals eat? From these pictures, we discovered that some animals eat meat, like the tiger here. Other animals eat herbs, like the cow and the turtle. They are eating herbs, we call them herbs. They are grass or plants. And some birds, like the pigeon or other birds, they eat seeds. Okay, so we have meat, herbs, and seeds. But the two main kinds or the two main types are the meat and the herbs. And for these two kinds of animals, we gave them names. Who can remind me of the names? What did we call the animals that eat meat, and what did we call the animals that eat herbs? Who can remember the names? Let me remind you, we called them carnivorous and herbivorous animals. We said that the carnivorous animals are the animals that eat meat, and herbivorous animals are the animals that eat herbs. Okay, so these are the names, carnivorous and herbivorous. So now let's turn the book on page 31 so we can do exercise 4 together. So please, your book's on page 31 so we can do exercise 4. Exercise 4 says, cross out the intruder in each set. So here we have two sets, set 1 and set 2, and we need to cross out the intruder that does not belong to the group, and this one is according to their food diet. Okay, it's according to what they eat. Let's have a look over set number 1. We have a dog, we have a wolf, horse, and tiger. Who can give me the intruder and tell me why? Who can find the intruder here according to what they eat? We know that the dog eats meat, right? It's a carnivorous animal. The tiger as well eats meat. Excellent. So what about the horse and the wolf? Which one is the intruder? Which one is different here? Exactly, it's the horse. Why? Because the horse is a herbivorous animal because it eats herbs or plants or grass. So we cross the horse out. Okay, so here is our first intruder. Let's have a look on set number 2. The set number 2 is a little bit different. Here we have a group of birds. You see, we have three kinds of birds, and we have a rabbit. What's the difference here? How can we know which one is the intruder? So as we all know that the birds, just like we saw the pigeon in the previous slide, they eat seeds, right? The birds here, we have three kinds of birds, they eat seeds. But what about the rabbit? What does it eat? Can tell me, what does the rabbit eat? Does it eat seeds just like the birds? Or does it eat plants or herbs or grass or whatever? Yes, so as we know, the rabbit eats grass or plants or herbs and it doesn't eat seeds. So the intruder one here is the rabbit. So we cross the rabbit out. So as a final conclusion, we conclude that animals have different food diets. Some animals eat meat, other animals eat herbs, and other animals like the birds here, they eat seeds. And we named the animals that eat meat carnivorous animals, and the animals that eat herbs, we call them herbivorous animals. So this is our exercise for today, and this is our revision for today. Please do the exercise on your book, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.